on. This is just the result of the dog biting my hand. It's just a little tender. That's all. It was a little bruised, but that went away. Look at all the snow, y'all. That's my uncle shoveling. Like, it's a mess out there. People don't even have nowhere to park. My car over there snowed in. I'm stuck in my cousin's house. And it's still snowing, by the way. And the favorite tried to get my car out. Wasn't successful at this point. Y'all, Snowden. Y'all, I put these little big braids in my hair. I don't know how they going on. My cousin pulled off in my car. I think he's stuck somewhere because that little car, my car is low. Like, it's a low car. And it's a lot of snow outside. Hope he's not stuck somewhere. Do he got his phone?
I'm checking on my husband right now because...
Right, do he got his phone though?
I don't know.
I don't think he got his phone.
No, he does.
Oh.
Hey, we're just calling to see if you've gotten stuck.
No, I'm sitting down on the block with him and it's playing out that spot.
Oh, okay. Like, they pulled out about 25 minutes ago. I see them.
Yeah, I don't never drink coffee, right? But I had like a weird craving for it, and it's super delicious. Mmm. Winter Wonderland. You gotta do it down here because of the screen.
I just want to thank God for whoever this man is that live on the next block because,
Okay.
baby, when I...
Yeah. Sitting here, tired. My hand still hurt a little bit from yesterday, but it's just a little swollen, a little neck from the dog. But I'm okay. And then this dog right here, he won't go away from me. Hey, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi. Hi. Okay, don't do the most. Don't do the most. Finally home, you guys. Oh, he's bummed. I'm home, and guess what? I fail. It is not a winter if I do not fall. I promise you I fall every winter. Anytime it's ice or something outside, I fall. But I'm home. I wrapped my ankle up. I know I'm being a little pain smart, but I soaked it in some Epsom salt, so I should be okay. But I'm finally about to end this vlog. It's been all over the place. I've been vlogging for like 2 days, but never ended it properly. So leave comments below. Make sure you guys continue to subscribe, share, you know, with your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your aunties, your uncles, your best friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.